Okay, so I'm in my new game. As you can see, we'll go to small tractors. Now, if you haven't heard of this is a cool game where you can farm. And this is a really cool push tractor. So we are gonna buy one of these. And you can see all these other different ones. And I also don't know who would name their brand. Here, let's go down here. There's Hoyt Clagwell. Polvidic, I guess. There's Ursus. And there's Watadimeric. So this is Watadimeric. This is the Watadimeric T25. And you can change your tires and everything like that. So it's just a normal farming game. You can do farming and all that other stuff. So let's buy one of these. Look how cool that is. So you can buy anything you want on here, including the Ford Scenero. And one of these. There's also a Fiat. There's Fiat. There's pretty much any tractor on here. You can let's get a Farmer H. And then, so we'll show you them here in a minute. Okay, so I got all the ones I want to show you. So number one is the John Deere A. It's a really cool one. This is a mod. 422. As you can see, it looks like it. There's no B, unfortunately, for the 22. As you can see, it says A right there. Next, we have the John Deere 110 4x4. This one might not be real, and I'm sorry that the tires are glitching through the fenders, and now it's gone. As you can see, we also have your old style exhaust right there. We have the John Deere Model A. You can see there's a flywheel, which is really cool. And it's basically the same as the A. It's a little different on the front, and the back is about the same. Now the AOS. The AOS is about the same too. You can see your flywheel up in there. Here's your exhaust. Well, it's up here. That vent is. And this, there you go. Actually, no, it's right there. So that's how it sounds. Next we have the oh wait, that's the wrong one. Farmer H, Super H. As you can see, there's a flapper. So that's how it sounds. Now we have the Fordson E27N TVO. And this is from the Fordson pack. We also have the Fordson Standard Narrow and the Fordson F. And then the Holder one. You can actually open the hood with V. So you can see the engine, and you can also drive with the hood opened. the bad thing is it only goes 5 miles per hour. Okay, yep, that's all my new tractors on this game. So make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye. Can end the video.